Welcome to my channel PCB Design. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to build your own powerful power adapter that can be regulated. Voltage is available from 2 volts to 6 volts DC. It is an universal power adapter. It can be used as a power source for your electronics gadgets, which works up to 6 volts. Especially this circuit is adapted many calculators for additional outside power source. We can see the special features of this gadget. Takes care of your electronics calculator power supply when your internal batteries are run down during crucial moments. So, it will be very useful for your electronic gadgets when the internal power supply batteries goes down, and it can be compensated. It can be powered by this external adapter. Regulated, stabilized, precise power supply is available for your calculator. Single LED is used as a dual purpose. Here, LED provides power on indication besides regulating the smooth output DC supply in a powerful designed circuit. Constant desired output voltage as low as 2 volts can be easily set using this preset. It can deliver up to 6 volts DC. Low cost and can be easily assembled with the ready-made PCB described here. Very handy gadgets for the needy for long period of operation, small in size. Now we shall go through this circuit design, how simple it is. That is, power supply is a step-down transformer which gives 6 volt AC in the secondary, which is conveniently rectified through this D1 to D4 4 diodes as a rectifier, as a full wave rectifier. This regulated DC supply is smoothed by this C1 electrolytic capacitor, and it is fed to this Q1 BC148 transistor through this collector. Through the emitter, it gives out the power output, that is up to 6 volt DC. This transistor Q1 can be regulated with the use of a transistor Q2, that is BC148, that is ingeniously used as a Zener operation, and it is associated with the LED. This gives you a double purpose. This LED gives the power on indication besides the operation for this Q2 transistor, which is biased through this preset. This preset gives the required bias for the Q2, and it is the LED is connected as in the amateur follower circuit. The R2 gives the power for this LED. The output can be controlled using this preset. There is 1K preset connected circuit along the positive and negative supply. The center tap is connected to this Q2 transistor. So this is a very simple and economical circuit which gives a highly regulated DC supply voltage outside. So it can be easily controlled and set for your desired output voltage from 2 volts to 6 volts DC output. It can be easily assembled The assembling tips and tricks are given here. The circuit can be neatly assembled on any general purpose printed board on the general purpose aero board. Appropriate metal enclosure may be used for avoiding hum pickups and other outside disturbances. Simple and straightforward circuit design. No complications in assembling this unit. All components are easily available. For your benefit, I have given this PCB design for this power adapter. It is very simple one, and it can be etched on this copper clad board and etched, and it can be used and for assembling the components over this board. So it is very easy for assembling, and it will be very compact and small size, as it can be accommodated in the small power adapter boxes like your charger adapters. Thank you for watching. Please click like, share and subscribe this channel to view more such videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.